Hello students, I am Dipti and today I am going to explain hardware and software. As we know, computer is an electronic machine. It can do different types of jobs, like we can play games, we can listen music, we can do typing work, we can watch videos, we can do so many things on the computer. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. A computer consists of various parts which work together. Basically, a computer has two parts, hardware and software. Hardwares are the physical part of the computer which can be seen and touched. Hardwares are those parts which we can see and we can also touch, and they are attached to the CPU by a cable. On the other side, I am having software which cannot be seen and touched. Software are those parts which cannot be seen and touched. Now I am going to explain about hardware. As I said, hardware are the physical parts of the computers which can be seen and touched. It is further categorized into three parts: input devices, output devices and storage devices. Input devices include keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner and web camera. On the other hand, output devices, they include monitor, with whatever I type that will display on the monitor, printer used to take printouts, and speaker which is used to listen the voice or music. Then I am having here storage devices which include CD, hard disk and pen drive. CD, which means compact disk, and it is used to store the data. Then I am having hard disk which is inside the CPU. Hard disk is a part of CPU which is used to store huge amount of data. Then I am having pen drive which is small in size but also can store huge amount of data. Now I am going to explain about software, which those parts which cannot be seen and touched. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System softwares are the software which controls the overall working of a computer or a system, For example, operating system. As it's clear from the name, operating system operates a system which operate a computer. For example, we are having Windows, we are having Linux. We are using Windows. And without operating system, we can't do anything because it acts as an interface between hardware and software. If operating system is not there, we can't do anything on the computer. Then I am having application software which performs specific types of work, or I can say which perform a particular task. For example, if I talk about calculator, we can just do calculation. In MS Paint, I can just do drawing and coloring. In games, we can just play games. So they are just do particular task. Application software performs specific task, and system software, they control overall system.